What up, my beautiful people? Welcome back. Good morning, good evening, good night, whatever time it is you guys are watching this. I know, I've been MIA. I just missing in action, bro. We got an update. Putting an intake setup on Tonka, as you see in the title, and just where I've been. Just life got busy. As you see, new location, new garage. I don't know where Gunner went, but anyway. Yeah, I'm gonna try to post more here. No promises, but I know I haven't posted in a year or so. I've updated a little bit here and there on Instagram. Some of you guys don't follow me there, so to keep you guys on the loop, I'll try to vlog and, you know, just keep up with the updates. So let's get started. All right, can't find my tripod, so we'll do what we can. I can't remember what I posted last. I probably should have checked before I started vlogging, but got too excited to install this. But fuel system somewhat plumbed. I had the water pump set up underneath the car, and I guess, would you just look at it? Just look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Anyway, shout out to my brother Bobby over at Raceworks, using his titanium intake studs. Got the K-tune for that dipstick. I guess that's probably new as well. Of course, that little letter he sends. Got a thermal gasket that just showed up. If you follow me on Instagram, I was posting about my story that this was the piece I need. Track tough, and then the sensor for the water that goes on there. So let's get started. This is how you get the studs out, or one of the ways. You take the correct size nut pause that you need, jam them against each other, and then start threading it out, and you're left with that. So you can put your intake studs. Nothing new, but some people don't know. Look at him. That's my boy. That's my gunner. That's my motherfucking gunner right there. Alright, got the cover off. If you guys were wondering what this wire setup's for, I didn't hook up the starter to the button, and plus I could examine everything. But I've been using this to prime the oil and getting everything circulating while Tonka sits. So that's what this is for. That boy sound healthy. Anyway, let's open these, put anti-seize on them, and throw them in. That looks sick. Would you just look at it? The real ones remember that stupid ass video where that nigga walked around at like car dealerships and shit that said, will you just look at it? Look at this, look at that. Oh my god, that car looks fast. Would you look at that? Holy fuck. Nice and easy. This is Flaming Dragon. Gasket on. Let's get it. Our ITBs. Here's our intake plate with the hardware. Let's install these. Shout out to Kinsley. Make some badass shit. And shout out the 4-piston. That 4-piston gray. Oh yeah. I know who I am. I'm the dude playing the dude acting like another dude. Or I think that's what he said. Oh man, this looks fucking sick. So this kids gets you to where she's like, oh my god, where do you learn that from? How do you learn how to do that? Oh, that looks sick as fuck. Alright, so it's mocked up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I need to get that shit. That's like pieces of fucking foam, but wow. Tonka's really coming together. Let's get the water block off and sensor on. This install should be relatively easy. I believe this O-ring goes right here. This goes on there, like that. This and this, I believe this isn't long enough, so I gotta take this back out and replace it with this. But that's okay. And then this and this jam nut go against right here with each other. You'll see in a second. You'll see in a second. And this goes right here. O-ring on. I'm gonna do this off camera because I don't know where my tripod is. Alright, now that that's on, let's install these. Alright, so it looks like on my setup itself, I need to trim off a little bit right here because it's not flush with the cylinder head and this does not line up. So I need to scoot this over. I don't think I need to make this hole or notch it bigger to slide it over because this doesn't seem like it's all the way where it needs to be. So you know, pretty used flat wheel, just so it's not as aggressive. This is aluminum, so it's leaving a nice little finish on here. Pretty close. I'll update you guys when, you know, it's back on the car. Alright, that's all cleaned up. Everything aligns a lot gooder. And I think I'm gonna put this jam nut on the inside because there's room. It makes more sense to me. And yeah. Alright, so context. I got this finger tight. I'm gonna loosen this bolt and then try not to move this once I break the jam nut loose. Move on the other side, jam nut, and then go from there. Alright, got that on, got the sensor on. That makes sense. We shouldn't have any leaks, and if we do, of course we'll find out once I have a water pump and everything. But if we do, should be easy fixed. I believe that's where it needs to be, and it should be fine. Let's put the dipstick, little hook, and spring, and we'll conclude this video. Damn, this motherfucker dusty. Anyway, the way I got the spring on right here, I just took my needle nose and kind of tweaked the eye a little bit, just so it could slip onto the dipstick. Pause, if that's a pause. Got the little claw here, little shim right there. Yeah, I think we're done. I need to figure that plate out, but man, oh, that's a big stepping stone right there. Milestone, whatever you want to call it. Need to clean off the oil pan to finalize that. I think this one will look good right about here. What do you guys think? Anyway, this will conclude this video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Maybe you learned something. Maybe you just wanted to hang out. Maybe you just missed me. I missed you too. I missed you too. Alright. But I haven't ate anything. We'll figure out the carbon box some other time. And I mean, I don't want to load too much in one video anyway. Pause. Alright. But haven't ate. Need to go eat something. Shout out to whoever made these. The adjustable fucking legs. Whenever you're sweating, lock them down. Glasses don't slide off your face. But yeah, getting closer. Hitting another milestone. That's one of those most expensive things I had to purchase for Tonka. As you guys know, I'm just vlogging, giving you guys updates, using this as like memory storage of everything I've done. You know, this is my first full drag build, first K swap, first a lot of stuff, because literally everything on Tonka is brand new. I haven't built a car like this, of this stature, but man, it's kind of hard to focus. Maybe I should eat something, and I'm a little thirsty. But yeah, stay blessed, stay slaying, most importantly keep gunning, and I'll catch you guys next time.